Hey guys, Ultimate Tech Master here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your Windows 10 computer auto shutdown or auto restart problem. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Windows search and type in about. The best match should come up, about your PC. Click on that. Then here under your PC name, look for the system type. Mine is a 64-bit. So you're gonna need this for later. Now the next thing you're gonna want to do is go to the Windows search, type in reg edit, then click enter, then click yes. Okay, here click on H key local machine. Then under that click on software. Then what you're gonna want to do is go find something that says Microsoft right here. Then find something that says Windows. So you're gonna have to scroll down a bit. Okay, right here it says Windows. Right click on Windows. Hover over New. Then click on Key. Rename this file to Windows Update. Okay, so once you have renamed the file, right click on that file again, the Windows Update file. Then click on New, Key. Then here, type in AU. So once you have typed in AU, you're going to want to right click on AU. Then click on New. Now click on the bit. That is why you have to find the bit. Mine is a 64-bit. So click on that. Then you're going to want to rename this to NoAutoReboot. This is going to be in the description, and it's going to be on the screen right now. NoAutoReboot with LoggedOnUser. Then click on enter, and it will be a file like that. Then what you're going to want to do is right click on that. Right click on the NoAutoReboot file. Click on modify. Set the value data to 1. Then click OK. And that should fix your shutdown problems or restart problems. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.